could have sued that one and actually won that case. And I think I still could, actually, because she just really misled us.
So is that horse still here?
It's still here. I'm still working it through. But he is tricky.
It is spooky.
Tricky.
Tricky.
Today he was rearing and rearing and rearing with me because I wanted the canter.
Yeah, how old is he?
He's 9 or 10.
Yeah, so old enough to know
Supposed
better.
to be precinct torch. That's the thing, like supposed to be.
Supposed to be.
Right.
Oh my gosh.
Exactly, and send the neck just a little bit more down in front of you. So he has to, again, utilize a little more of the top line in the work. Good, exactly. Keep sending the neck down. Good. Good, and don't be afraid to bend him. That's it. Like if he gets a little stiff in the top line, then don't be afraid to really overbend him a little bit. That's it. That's it. Good.
Good boy.
Good, Kelly. That's better. Beautiful. That looks really good. Good, and just a little bit lower in the neck, even in that exercise. See if you can find the neck to come down just a hair more. And again, you can ride that just a hair slower, like the rhythm started good actually.
Okay.
He didn't need to go more forward.